Hey beauties, today I will be showing you how to add your custom subscribe button to your intro. Let's get started. For this how-to, we will be using Keynote, iMovie, our custom subscribe button, and our intro. First, we will open Keynote, press the plus button to add a new project. Choose a theme. I chose basic white. Next, we're going to delete the preset elements. Press the paintbrush at the top. Select background. Press color and choose green. Then we're going to press the plus button at the top. Select photo or video and import your subscribed PNG. Place it where you want to and size it to your liking. And once again, we're going to press the plus button, select shape, and choose arrow. Size your arrow and place it exactly where you would like it. You can see me resizing mine. I chose to customize my arrow by selecting the paintbrush button. Select style, choose fill, and image. And I chose a glitter background for my arrow. Now it's time to animate. Tap your subscribe button and click animate. Select build in. Choose which effect you would like. I chose the drop in effect. The effect will display. Tap on an empty space on the green screen and select your build in. We want to edit the build-in to start after transition. Next, select the arrow. Choose build in. Select your effect. Tap the screen. Select the build-in effect that you chose and change the start to with build 1. Press your subscribe button again. Choose add action. Select your action. Tap the screen. Select the action you chose and change start to after build 2. Again, select the arrow, add action, and this time we're going to create a path. Draw a path from your arrow to your subscribe button. Tap the screen, select your motion path, and change start to with build 3. Select your subscribe button again. Choose add build out. Choose which effect you would like. Next, tap the screen, choose the build out again, and change the start time to after build 4. Choose the arrow button, select build out, choose the effect you would like, tap the screen, select the build out you chose. Change the start to with build 5. When you're done, export your green screen as a movie and save the video. Next, open iMovie. Press the plus button, choose movie, and add your intro. Decide where you would like for your subscribe button to pop up. Press the plus button at the top. Choose your green screen that we just created. Select the three dots. Choose green blue screen. You can edit the speed of your green screen and cut some of the parts off as well. To add sound, choose where you would like for your click sound to go. Press the plus button at the top. Select audio and add a sound. I added a click audio that I had. When you're finished, press done. Press the share button on the bottom of the screen and save your video. And there you have it, your beautiful custom sub button on your intro. And thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button. And for more DIYs, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, stay ambitious. Yeah,